It's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. Once again, we're on board our 44-foot Lancer Pilothouse motor yacht. It's a 1981, and we just walked in the companionway door, and what you look at right here is a big salon. You got a settee that turns into a queen-size berth. It's like a hide-a-bed, but it doesn't work quite like a hide-a-bed. It folds out, has lots of accommodation. If you want to sleep that many, it's got a bar table there, so you can eat at it. There's a solid teak table that folds out virtually all the way to the end of the couch here. So you have great seating. You can have a party of like 6-8 people on board for seating. At the Pilothouse, you got a real comfortable chair because you're going to spend a lot of time in that seat steering this boat. And one of the unique things about the Lancer is that all the controls come into the Pilothouse. You have an electric winch here so that you can either do it manually and it's self-tailing, or you have the foot pedal down on the bottom and it's electrically driven. That was pretty state-of-the-art type stuff back in the year that this was built. It's got 2,100 hours on the engines. There's the hour meter on the starboard. The port engine's hour meter stopped working. They're a pair of 6-cylinder, 130 horsepower Perkins diesel. It's got electronic RPM gauges. It's got engine monitors, etc. We will be doing a startup video for you. So as we, one of our other videos. So as we go down into the galley area on the port side of the boat, you got a full-size Norcold fridge. Check out that microwave that still works. It's an antique, but it works. The propane range has been removed. It's still, the guts are still there, but the owners were not comfortable with propane, and they basically removed the whole propane range. It has a generator on board. It's a 7.5 kilowatt Northern generator with about 1,000 hours. It's got a Hart inverter charger unit there. There's the electrical panel for the 12 volt and the 110 with the ship and shore selector switch for the AC system. Battery switches up top. Nicely done. Quick view around. As we turn here, on the starboard side, you got a washer dryer unit there. That Newport Dickinson is no longer operational. It was a wood burning stove, and you're not allowed to have those on boats anymore, so it's just decorative. As you go forward into the boat, the big feature is this master stateroom up in the front of the boat. It is nice and clean. It is very roomy. It's got a full-size double berth there with walk around on both sides. You got mirrors. You got lots of storage space, port and starboard, opening hatches, opening vent above, vanity mirror. And you have access to the head through the hallway and also through the master stateroom. It's only have a single head. It's large though. As you can see, vanity sink, hot and cold pressure water. It's got a marine style head there in a separate shower stall area with a drop down bench. There's one of the chain plates coming down. You can see there's been no leakage on that bulkhead. That's a important feature to see. You gotta like that. Nice boat. 44-foot Lancer. Be a great cruising boat for the Pacific Northwest. It also has a separate stateroom on the port side here as we walk back. They've left a bunch of the stuff that goes with the boat on the seat. It's a double berth. Again, opening hatches. Nice size hanging locker, a bunch of books, etc. Seriously for sale. What a great looking boat. We're on board the 44 Lancer. PacificCoastYachtSales.com. Give us a call, 604-708-1980. Thanks again for watching our inside video.